Here is how we can delete Yahoo mails in bulk on the iPhone. Let me explain it. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So, of course, you need to look up the Yahoo Mail. You need to have it installed on your device like I do. And when I get inside, I'm already signed in with my account and I can see all of the stuff in here. And obviously, you can swipe away on individual mails to delete them, and yeah, you are probably looking for the select button, so you can select multiple of them and then delete them in bulk. But if you hold down on it, it's not there. If you try to look it up inside of the screen, it's not there. So what we have to do is to actually click on the profile picture of the emails, which is a bit unusual, I guess, but you can tap on it like this, and as you can see now, it turned into the selection mode. So I can tap on the other emails and select them, or I can click on the select all right here, and all of them are going to be selected like this. So I have the ability to now click on a delete, or click on unread, or read, whatever, or move them somewhere else. And the point is that is how you can manage emails in bulk using the Yahoo Mail. I mean, that's kind of like hidden away because we didn't really have the ability to select it outside of that, right? Because we don't have the obvious option to do it, but that's why I'm making these videos, right? So let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you in the future videos.